This is a question under additional mathematics, which is basically under functions. And so the question is two functions f and g are defined by f of x equals to 2x squared minus x plus 3 and g of x 3 minus x, and then we have to find I for, in other words, f of g, and then I the value of x for which f of g in parentheses x plus 1 equal to f of g x. So how do you tackle this particular question? Let's look at how to go about it. We have solution. Alright, so for the I part, we are going to have f of g. But then do not forget our f function is, that is f of x, is 2x squared minus x plus 3. And then the g of x aspect is also 3 minus x. Okay, so what it means is that you substitute the value of what? G, that is the function, g function, into f of x function. So how do you go about it? We have, alright, then you take the square of that, minus, in parentheses, 3 minus x plus 3. So right from this place, we expand. So expanding that, we are going to have 2 in brackets. We have I'll have 3 minus x, and then 3 minus x, close bracket, minus 3 minus x plus 3. Alright, so let's move here. So now we have this. What do? You FOIL this, what is inside this bracket. So what will happen is that you are going to have your 2. Alright, so we'll have to bracket, foiling this will multiply by this, you get 9, and then the same 3 multiply with this x will give you minus 3x. Having gotten this x, alright, that is negative x, you will multiply this 3, that will also be what? Negative 3x, and then the negative x, you will multiply the negative x here, that will give you a positive value of x. Alright, then we expand this parenthesis to, that will be our negative 3 plus x, and then plus this constant, what is 3. Okay, let's expand the parenthesis, that will be what? 18 minus 6x, this multiply this, 6x plus 2x minus 3 plus x plus 3. So from here, you do what we call grouping of like terms. So these are like terms, likewise this and this. So from here, this will take care of this, and then we add this, we're going to get this squared, sorry, there is x squared there, so here too should be what? Squared. Fine. So we have 12x plus 2x squared, alright, plus x. So from here, the 12x and this x here are like terms, so we add them together. So that's going to be 18 minus 11. That should give you 11 plus 2x squared. So you must rewrite this in a quadratic form. You are going to have 2x squared minus 11x plus 18. Alright, so this is the first aspect of fog. Alright, so that is it. Now, let's move on to work out for this particular one. Alright, so this is the answer to f of g, that is the I aspect. Now let's look at the II. The II is demanding us to find f of g x plus 1 equal to f of g of x. Alright, but then we have gotten the solution to this, which is this particular one. So our focus has to be on the left hand side. So taking that, we are going to have f of g of x plus 1. Alright, what it means is that the function we have gotten for f of g, we just substitute x plus 1 into this particular function we've gotten for f of g. So let's do that. We are going to have 2 in parentheses x plus 1 squared minus 11 in parentheses x plus 1 plus 18. Alright, so let's expand this. We are going to have 2 open brackets x plus 1 x plus 1 close bracket. Then we expand this, we'll get 11x. Alright, so minus 11 plus 18. Alright, so now here to you FOIL. Okay, foiling this, we are going to have 2. Okay, this multiply with this, you get x squared, this by this plus x, 1 times x here plus x, 1 times 1 will give you plus 1. Close it, minus 11x. This is a like term, and that will give you what? Plus 7. So from here, we use the 2 to clear or to expand the bracket. That would be 2x squared plus this, and this will be what? 2x. You multiply by this, that would be what? 4x plus 2 minus 11x plus 7. So from here, alright, we have like terms here, and this, that will be 2x squared. Okay, then this and this are like terms, that would be minus 7x, then this will give you plus 9. Alright, so therefore f of g of x plus 1 is equal to this. Alright, but then the question is demanding this. So what we need to do is we equate this solution to this solution and then solve for the value of x. So let's do that quickly. We're going to have 2x, this is the first one I'm writing here, squared minus 11x plus 18 should be equated to this one, which will be 2x squared minus 7x plus 9. Alright, so we can group like terms. You know, when you transpose this, it will become minus here. So this and this will go away. Alright, then we now transpose this and this. So transposing this here, that will be minus 11x plus 7x equal to 9. Transpose the 18, that will be minus 18. So here we get minus, alright, here should be what? When you transpose, this will go and add up, and that will be, alright, so yeah, you get this, and then let's perform this. We are going to get negative 4x equal to this will give us 9. Alright, so so negative 9 here, and then we divide 2 by -4. Alright, so our final answer should be x equal to 9 over 4. So that is the value to this particular question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, and do not forget to hit on the notification bell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a new content, you get an update. Thank you.